Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Purity. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create highlights on Instagram. So if you want to create highlights on Instagram and you don't know how to do it, please sit tight and watch this video to the very end. So let's quickly rush into the video. All we need to do here is to click on the plus icon on the bottom of your frame. Once you click on that, select a photo or a video you want to highlight on Instagram. So here on the video you have selected that you want to highlight, what you need to do is to click on this arrow. Once you click on that, click on share, then click on add highlight, add to highlight. As you can see on my screen, I already have an highlight named everyone, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an highlight. Highlight is for everyone, so I'm going to be setting it as everybody. Add. Then now done. So this video is going to be added to my highlights. That's how to do it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.